Sejal. Okay, so today I just randomly felt like doing a Q&A video. It's been a long time since we've done one. Actually, I was on a sleepover last night with my school friends Shreya, Khyati and Tanisha, and we were like throwing it back, playing truth or dare. It's really lame, don't judge me. You've been there, you know it. But then we also like remembered that we used to do this thing called rapid fire. If you guys remember truth, dare and rapid fire, give this video a thumbs up. So that's why I thought I want to do a Q&A video today, and that's why I put it on my Instagram, Twitter and Facebook to tell you guys to ask me any question that would start with would you rather. So it's kind of like a rapid fire. I literally made this post about 2 hours ago. Let's see all that we've got and let's get started. Okay, also, we are at 80,000 subscribers. Yeah, let's get to 100,000 really quickly. Also, make sure you guys hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any video that I upload. And let's get started. Okay, Aishwarya asked, would you rather choose long hair or short hair? Short hair. Okay, would you rather stay up all night or wake up early? Wake up early. I'm one of those boring people. At a sleepover, I am the most boring person to be with because I'll be asleep at 12. Would you rather only shop from Sarojini or never shop at Sarojini ever? I would only shop from Sarojini. I would spend a lot less money on clothing then. Oh, that's a good one. Would you rather always have to say everything on your mind or never speak again? Say everything on my mind. I want to be like one of those awesome people who just say whatever they want and don't care. Would you rather go back to school days or SRCC days? My school friends and SRCC friends are gonna kill me either way. I don't know. I would get killed for whatever I say. Okay, this is not a would you rather, but if you get a chance to go to Coffee with Karan, would you go or not? I would totally go. That show is hilarious. I've been watching it regularly because of how funny it is. I would want to go, but then I don't know what will happen to my... Everyone's going to make a lot of fun of me, but I would totally go. Would you rather be an actress or a YouTuber? A YouTuber. Would you rather be a girly girl or a tomboy? What is a girly girl or a tomboy? Gender roles. Would you rather lose all your subscribers or lose all your videos? Horrible question. I have no idea. I would lose all my videos. I know. I've spent so much time making those videos. And this is a tough one. I can't choose. Would you rather be invisible for the rest of your life or get ignored by the one person you can't live without and have more good friends? Okay, wait. I need to concentrate. This is complicated. I would get ignored by that one person. I would be able to live with that. Would you rather save money and go street shopping or splurge on brands? Street shopping! Would you rather have all the clothes you could ever dream of or be able to travel the whole world with someone you love? Travel the whole world with someone you love any day. Would you rather travel the world or stay home with your favorite food? Travel the world. I don't love food so much. Would you rather watch Friends whole day or party hard during weekends? Oh, tough one. Like, tough one. Comment below what you guys would choose. This is actually really tough. Would you rather lose all your subscribers or lose all your good friends? I would rather lose all my... Oh, no. This is horrible. This is like one of those horrible questions that you used to ask each other in 6th grade between your two best friends. Would you rather stop making YouTube videos if you get an opportunity to act in a movie or so, or would you rather make videos and shoot simultaneously? I like how everyone thinks that I'm gonna go and act in movies someday, but I really love my YouTube channel. I would keep doing YouTube no matter what. Would you take a bath with ice cold water in this weather or smell like rotten egg the whole day? I would smell like rotten egg the whole day. It's freaking cold, and if I don't have hot water, I might as well not have a bath. Would you rather settle for a stable job or would you continue YouTube for your entire life? Ideally, I would like to do YouTube my entire life or something related to it. Would you rather be a dark-skinned person or a lighter one? Would you rather take a trip to the past or the future if you were given a single choice? To the past. I'm a person of the past. I love reliving older memories and I'm just always thinking about अरे यार वो school का time, वो college का time कितना अच्छा था. So I would take a trip to the past. Would you rather dump or get dumped? We're in Splitsvilla right now. Would you rather love Mohawk taking you out on a date to an amazing restaurant or to an amusement park carnival? Amusement park, roller coasters, woohoo! Would you rather get stabbed by a loved one or lose a loved? Why are your questions so depressing? Why? Would you rather want to live by the beach or the mountains for the rest of your life? Mountains. I've recently started to like mountains more than the beach. I love trekking. I would love the mountains. Would you rather stay in Delhi with your parents or shift to Mumbai for movies? I like how everyone thinks I'm becoming a movie star someday. I honestly have no idea. I don't know. Would you rather have a pineapple as an ass or your nose as a carrot? Nose as a carrot? No, ew. Like, imagine sitting on a pineapple and then having holes in your butt. How would that feel? Would you rather do a collab with Lily, a Superwoman, or a collab with Bethany Mota? If ever the gods decide to bless me, I would. Okay, it is hard to choose. I would want to do a collab with both of them together in one video because I'm greedy. Would you rather settle in one place for the rest of your life or have endless places to be at but no places to settle down? Ye Jawani Hai Diwani story. I would settle down. I would be Deepika. Okay, I like this one. Would you rather take the Avada Kedavra curse or Crucio? I would take Crucio because at least I would be alive after that. Or not. Wait, shit. Would you rather choose English songs or Hindi? If the Hindi songs are like Aaj Blue Hai Pani Pani, then English songs. If the English songs are like work, 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 then Hindi songs. Would you rather be itchy for the rest of your life or sticky? Ew, this is kind of disturbing. Would you rather use eye drops made of vinegar or toilet paper made from sandpaper? Yuck! Sandpaper for my butt, I think, and then not poop for the rest of my life. Okay, and that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know below if you want to watch more Q&As and I will do them in the future, and what kind of questions we can have in the next Q&A, like what they should start with, and we'll do that. And thank you guys so much for watching. I shall see you on Monday. Bye. No, wait, I'll see you on Friday. Sorry. Bye.